Hey, you guys. It's Nadia here, and I am so sleepy and under rested. Not to complain, but just to say that I'm reviewing a much simpler book than usual this time because I was reading The Theory of Celestial Influence, and it's like I started seeing double. Like, I was so tired. So taking it way back easier, a book with a lot of pictures, and I'm probably 10 years below my reading level, more than 10 years actually. But the solar system, that's what we're reviewing today because I love the planets so very much, right? Wow, this book doesn't have a copyright? There's no copyright? So yeah, it's a children's book and they think children don't need copyrights. Is that what they're saying? Okay, well, I don't appreciate that because children do need to know, and there is a copyright, 2010. So they try to change so much information from the solar system, like trying to say Pluto's not a planet anymore. And I think in this book, it does say that still, but I don't believe it. Pluto is a planet. Thank you very much. So it goes into space and stuff. I'm just going to show photos, really. The planets next to the sun. Is our sun's name Sol? I read that somewhere. It doesn't say that in here. Okay, we have asteroid belts, which are so pretty. If you're my friend on Instagram, I like to use planetary stuff. Okay, we have the sun here. Let's say the sun is made of like molten stuff in the middle, and then there's solar flares. And I found out solar wind is from the sun. Okay, we have moving planets. I'm gonna get to Mercury because I learned some fun facts. Okay, Mercury. Did you know that first of all, Mercury's orbit is like in an egg shape, and the sun? Okay, if Mercury is like, okay, here's a button. If Mercury orbit represents the circle, the sun would be like over here somewhere. It would be like on the side. The sun is not the center of the orbit. Thank you very much. And also, Mercury does not have a real atmosphere, and Mercury is actually really, really cold on the side that's not facing the sun. Okay? But this says Mercury's surface is more than 4 times hotter than boiling water. So I guess the surface that's facing the sun, not the surface away from the sun. Okay? Venus is a hot planet. Hot planet, Venus. It's hot because the atmosphere is so heavy. It traps the heat in, but it doesn't let the heat out. And it goes the slowest. It rotates the slowest because it's so freaking heavy. Okay, and it says Venus is so hot, its surface glows in the dark. That's what it says. Isn't that cool? And in the light, because I think sometimes during the daytime you can see Venus and it looks like a crescent in the, not all the time. It's just like certain parts. Anyway, we have living Earth here. That's us. This is where we are. That's our home planet. Let's take care of it, shall we? Oh God, that is so beautiful, though, isn't it? Isn't that beautiful with the green, and the blue and all that stuff? Oh, and I saw a video of like white giraffes the other day too. I was like, is that real? Okay, we have the moon, which is nice. I called the moon the god of the water the other day, and I think I could stand by that and be okay. All right, we have the red planet, which is Mars, which is smaller than Earth. I didn't realize. Gas giant Jupiter, the biggest planet in the solar system, and my favorite, maybe my favorite. Actually, I love them all. I don't even have a favorite planet anymore. But Saturn's cool. Saturn will keep you on track. The rings are not all attached. They're made of rock and ice. Okay. Now Uranus might be my favorite. And yes, I say Uranus and not the other way. Uranus is cool. I love Uranus as an Aquarius. I love it because it's weird like me. It doesn't like it rotates like other planets rotate on its axis, but Uranus like rolls on its axis and then it's tilted. They say it's tilted because something knocked into it, but I don't know if that's true. That's Uranus right there because it does have rings and stuff. And then there's Neptune also. And Neptune is just cold as hell, but it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful, you guys. All of them are just so beautiful. And down there, that's where it says Pluto is not a planet. It says, experts used to think it was a planet, but they've changed their minds. How do you just change your mind about planets? You don't rule the universe, people. humans. And then there's stuff on exploring the sky, telescopes and satellites and all that stuff. And that's pretty much the end of the book. There's also a glossary as well. So I would say that that concludes this book review on our solar system. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it because I did. I love the solar system very dearly, as we all should, because it's where we're at in the universe. It's our place in the universe, so why not love it? Why not learn about the planets too? But you know, I guess Earth is big enough, so maybe learn about Earth too. But I'm rambling on. Thanks for watching this video, you guys, and peace and blessings.